YouTube has become a global powerhouse, a platform where billions of people consume and create content every day. It's the go-to destination for videos on everything from tutorials and vlogs to documentaries and live streams. However, with this immense popularity comes intense competition, a crowded creator space, and increasingly strict platform policies. For a new or small creator, getting discovered on YouTube today is like shouting into a hurricane. Thousands of videos are uploaded every minute, and the algorithm tends to favor channels that are already established or have high engagement histories. Breaking through that noise is not only difficult, it's often discouraging. Creators spend weeks, sometimes months, crafting quality content only to see it buried under a sea of similar videos. Worse still, YouTube's monetization system is becoming harder to access and maintain. From sudden demonetization to vague community guideline strikes, many creators feel they are walking on eggshells, never sure if their content will be approved or penalized. This has led to growing frustration among small and independent creators who want a space to grow without constantly battling algorithms, policies, and competition that seems impossible to beat. This is where Dailymotion steps in as a surprisingly strong alternative. While it doesn't have the same scale as YouTube, that actually works in favor of creators. Dailymotion is a platform with far less competition, meaning your content has a much better chance of standing out and reaching viewers who are actively looking for fresh perspectives. For new creators, this is incredibly valuable. You don't have to fight thousands of others just to appear in a search result or be recommended. Your videos are more likely to get visibility simply because there's more room to breathe on the platform. Beyond that, Dailymotion's content moderation policies are more relaxed and creator-friendly. There's less fear of random strikes or demonetization, and that creative freedom makes a huge difference in how comfortably you can express your ideas. Whether you're a vlogger, educator, musician, or entertainer, Dailymotion gives you the space to grow without unnecessary restrictions. Another major plus is Dailymotion's straightforward monetization system. Once you're approved for their partner program, you can start earning through ad revenue. No 1,000 subscriber threshold, number for 1,000 watch hours minimum like YouTube. It's more accessible and more realistic for small creators who are just getting started. Plus, with less competition and a more supportive discovery system, creators can start seeing real growth and earnings faster than on YouTube. This isn't about abandoning YouTube entirely. YouTube still offers unmatched reach and features. But depending on YouTube alone in 2025 can limit your potential, especially when there are viable platforms like Dailymotion waiting to be explored. Using both platforms together can give creators a strategic edge, diversifying their presence, reducing reliance on one algorithm, and increasing the chances of finding their ideal audience. Dailymotion may not be as flashy or talked about as YouTube, but its benefits for creators are very real. The lower competition, easier discoverability, creative freedom, and simpler monetization all add up to make it a genuinely attractive option, particularly for new creators who feel overwhelmed or stuck on YouTube. So, if you're tired of struggling to get views, or frustrated with confusing policies and inconsistent earnings, maybe it's time to look beyond the obvious. Dailymotion isn't just a backup, it could be the growth opportunity you've been waiting for. Give it a try, upload your content, and experience a platform that's built not just for mass consumption, but for real, accessible growth.